Hey guys, this is Akshita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a Sunday and it's going to be an eventful one, and it's also the last Sunday of 2025. So I'm going to do a lot of things through the day and I'm going to vlog, so stay tuned. Kya Ganju? Taklu? Hey Taklu. She does not respond to that because she does not believe. So Faira? My parents are in shock today क्योंकि मैं आज 10 बजे के पहले नहा ली हूँ, which is very rare considering it's a Sunday और मैं शाम के पहले नहीं नहाती हूँ. But yes, we're also done with our breakfast and now we're going to attend our lectures, and I'll show you how I attend my lectures just by the way. लैपटॉप के ऊपर आईपैड में लेक्चर, दैट इज़ हाउ वी अटेंड. एंड येस, आयरॉनिकली आज मेरा सोशल मीडिया का ही क्लास है, सो वी आर गोना अटेंड दैट नाउ टिल आई थिंक 1. येस, सो So now I have a 10-minute break from my lectures, and the main reason why I am making this video is because I am today going to make a vision board for 2025, and I'm gonna share my process of making the vision board. So if you ever, because I see a lot of people who want to but they don't really know how to start, I have figured it out. I mean, of course with the help of social media posts, but I have sort of figured it out and we're going to do it together. And I am making a vlog taki I'll stay committed to it and I do it today because today is the only day I have. Iske baad mera working hai, I will not have the time. So to make the vision board, I'm going to be telling you the steps that I have followed, and maybe you can use it and maybe you can try to do it for yourself. Okay, so for the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to take a pen and paper and we have to pretend कि 2025 December आ गया. ठीक है, we have reached 2025 December and you have to write down कि what could be the ideal scenario कि तुम्हारा 2025 कैसा दिखा है, and you have to list down those things. ठीक है, कि जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन से कि 2025 में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल कर लिया ऐसा. तो दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन एंड मेक श्योर दैट देर आर लिटिल स्पेसिफिक, वेरी स्पेसिफिक, नॉट वेरी जनरल कि जस्ट ट्रैवल्ड वेयर, है ना. सो दीज थिंग्स एंड देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप. एंड आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू देन आफ्टर एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव रिटन, अभी वो सब अचीव करने के लिए what are the goals that you need to achieve, वो तुमको लिखना पड़ेगा कि क्या तुम करोगे तो वो तुम्हारा those things will be manifested. For example, if I am saying कि I lost weight in 2025, तो I worked out, I had a healthy meal, so these could be my goals. ठीक है, तो ऐसा you have to categorize. You can also categorize your goals into 4 sections, being personal, professional, career wise, like self care wise. ऐसा you can like categorize them into how many ever sections you want, and that is how you start working on it. And then उस हिसाब से फिर you pick out pictures, which is going to be your third step. अभी I have already completed the first 2 steps, but now I think I need to make it a little more specific. तो मैं और पिक्चर्स अभी ढूंढूंगी and then I'm going to get them printed. ठीक है, so back from the stationery store and we've got the canvas and prints of the images, and now we're gonna go and make the board. So I just came back. I have everything that I need to make the vision board. We've got the prints of the pictures, then have scissors, glue. Oh my god, Fevicol changed its packaging, by the way. It's so cool. Love it. And we have some sketch pens because I'm also planning on adding some text elements because I want to write something, some highlighters if I need them, and the canvas. So we're now going to start cutting the pictures first, and while I do that, I'm going to tell you what a vision board is and why am I making it this year. So basically the idea was to, because this year, touchwood, has been good, God has been kind, so it's you know like giving a prior notice to God कि देखो ये चीज़ें मुझे चाहिए, please हो जाएगी तो अच्छा है. It's that कि you just let whatever you want, you just let it out in the universe so that you manifest it. And you know, when you keep looking at it every day, I think you subconsciously start working towards it. And you know, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है ना कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, मुझे यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. These are just thoughts, but these never really happen, and then later we regret कि ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, ये करना था इस साल, वो करना था. तो this year I was like कि नहीं, I need to have, like I need to know what I want to achieve the next year, and this I think is the best way for me to put it out in words and then sort of take everything that happens. So yes, that's the whole purpose of this vision board, and let's see if it works this year. Hands are sore, but we are done cutting all the images, and this is how it looks as of now. Assemble all of them जैसे मुझे चाहिए कि वो दिखे, and after that is done, I'm gonna start sticking them. I have placed all the images, and this is how it looks for now. I'm a little scared to even touch it because I feel like I'll mess it up, but it took a long time to get the placement right. But I think it looks fine now, right? Like I think now I'm gonna start sticking the pictures abhi एक एक करके, and yes. And we are done, guys. I'm gonna be showing my vision board in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Love it. I've also added some visual, some written text here and there which I wanted to highlight. And I mean, it's not really as aesthetic as you would want it to be, but then again, it makes me, and this is all the things that I want to do in the next year. That's 2025. I'm gonna look at it every day and hopefully manifest all the things. I hope it was a good motivator for you if you want to do the same. And the posts that really helped me in all of this, I would definitely put them in the description box. I'll put the links. Please go and check them out if you also plan on making a vision board. And yes, I hope you liked watching this video. It was sort of like a chotu vlog, but also the main thing was the vision board, obviously. And it's almost, I think the day is almost over. It's 5:30. I don't think I'm going to do anything else. I'm just going to rest now because back's hurting. But yes, the vision board is done. And please tell me in the comments if you found this helpful and if you liked what I made. And yes, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. Would really love it. It's a goal in 2025 to get a lot of subscribers and be active on YouTube. So yes, see you in this time. Pakka see you in 2025.